In this video, I'm going to go through how to set up an HTML email signature in your WebStarts business emails. Let's start by logging into your email account and then click the Settings tab up top. From here, go ahead and click the Identities tab in the left-hand sidebar, and then choose the email address you wish to create the signature for. You're most likely just going to have one option here, but if you have multiple, just go ahead and choose the one you want to make it for. And then go ahead into the signature area, and then just start composing your signature. By default, it's going to be set up to do it in text only, but I want to create an HTML one, so I'm going to check this box, and then that will open up the HTML editor. Here I can add text, hyperlinks, images. I can style that text, so there's a number of different things that I can choose to make it more custom, more unique to what I'm trying to say in my email. And then go ahead and just type what you want. I'll keep it pretty simple for the example. And then I want to add an image as well. And let's go ahead and add the WebStarts logo. Once that's loaded up, just click to select it. And then in most cases, you're going to want to keep this box checked, the constrained proportions, and then just leave these blank. That'll drop the image in its native size and its native aspect ratio, which you can then just drag to make bigger or smaller, and the image is not compromised when doing so. So let's go ahead and choose a different font. Let's choose something that's a little easy to see the difference. Arial black, and let's increase the size. Let's choose a color. How about thank you? And then let's create a hyperlink with the WebStarts. Just want to type in the URL for the site, followed by OK. Oh, looks like it stripped that formatting when I did that. No worries. We'll go ahead and just drop that back in. And that's all there is to it. Well, let me add a color to that text too. Let's go WebStarts green, and we'll go full-on Christmas signature. So that may be a little loud and obnoxious for what you're trying to do, but I just wanted to do that as an example. Once you're happy with the signature, go ahead and click Save, and go ahead and back to your mail, click to compose, and you'll see that that signature is dropped right in there, ready to send. That's all there is to it in terms of creating the HTML signature. If you have any questions about this or WebStarts in general, be sure to reach out.